Hey bakers, it's Angela from Cake Angel and welcome back for another festive bake along. Today I'm going to show you how to make some vegan chocolate crinkle cookies, which are such a popular cookie at this time of year. Now if you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let me know if you're going to have a go at making these. Let's dive in and take a look at the process. Now as always, the full ingredients will be listed in the description below the video, and make sure when you start that you preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit so that it's nice and warmed up once you're ready to pop your cookies in the oven. We're going to start by whisking together our sugar, butter, plant-based milk and vanilla until it's nice and smooth, and I'm using a stand mixer for this because it's just easy to throw everything in and let the mixer do the magic for us. Next I'm adding my flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, baking soda and salt, and that's going to give it that really nice texture that we want with a crinkle cookie. Make sure that everything is fully combined with your mixer, and then just go ahead and scrape off your attachment before we go on to the next stage. Now this stage is the slightly messy one, but it's fun as well. What you're going to do is take about a tablespoon amount of your dough, roll it up into a ball in your hands, and then dip it in your powdered sugar. Now this is what's going to help give it that nice crinkle look as well, and it really does finish off the cookies nicely. So just keep going until you've made all of the dough. I ended up with 16 in total from this batch, and you could do them smaller if you want more, or even bigger if you wanted less of them. It's really up to you. Then we're going to pop them in the oven and bake them for about 10 to 13 minutes. Now they will still be slightly soft when they come out of the oven, and that's perfectly fine. That's exactly what these cookies should be like. They're going to have a slightly crunchy exterior and nice and chewy on the inside. These smell and look wonderful. I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to comment below, let me know if you're going to have a go at baking them, and make sure you check out the rest of the festive bake-alongs on my channel. Thanks for watching, have a great day.